let's begin with a gentle warm-up dance. We'll do lots of repetitions, and you know I'm going to throw some challenges your way, but just focus on having a good time with your moves and hearing the beat and the rhythm in Bob's drumming. Don't worry too much about your technique because you know that's why you're in the class, and that's what we're going to focus on afterwards. Yalla Habibi, let's begin in basic posture with our knees bent, hips tucked forward, abs in and up, chest lifted. Let's put our arms out here in basic, and let's start with step touch because it's such a great move to start with. With this foot, here we go. Step, touch, nice and slow. Step, touch, just getting warmed up. Step, touch, step. Now let's double that speed. Step, touch, step and touch, step and touch, step and touch, step, touch, step, touch. Doom, doom, tack-a-tack, doom, tack-a-tack. Catch that rhythm? What's the name of it? You got it, it's Melody. Step and touch, step and touch. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring our arms low. And back up. Step and touch, step and touch. How about if we turn with it now? And shall we add in the arms? Here we go. A little bit challenging, so if you find that too much, just leave your arms in basic. And if they're getting tired, just bring them back down here. Challenge. Easier challenge. Don't flip your hands. And when you're ready, do it all. And how about turning with it? Oh boy, a lot of layers now. And turn it. Let's hold it down here and do some large hip circles and then small hip circles, starting with this hip, that way. We'll go side, front, side, and back, side, and small. And large. And small. Really slow. How about the other way? Small. And small again. And let's double that speed. Doom, doom, tack-a-tack, doom, tack-a-tack. Doom, doom. Hold it in the back and reverse it. Doom, 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 tack-a-tack, doom, tack-a-tack. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how the timing is what keeps us going in time with the drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or the other way. And let's hold it here and do our large hip circles again, but let's bounce it with our feet, starting this way. Side, front, side, back. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. I'm going up on the balls of my feet. Side, front, side, and back. Side, front. Hold it in the back, and then we'll go that way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hear the rhythm? Doom, doom, tack-a-tack, doom, tack-a-tack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, tack-a-tack, doom, tack-a-tack. This is what we always do at Jensuya Belly Dance. You know it by now, right? 3rd level classes. It's all about, oops, 1, 2, 3. It's all about the beat, the rhythm, the technique, matching the moves to the music. Let's hold it here, and how about if we do a sway? We'll do sway, sway. Hips parallel to the floor. Sway, 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 and sway. You don't have to turn with it. I just want you to be able to see posture. You remember remember our posture, right? Where are we keeping our posture? That's right. Knees always bent, abs always in and up. Even if you have a lot or a little bit of insulation, a lot of insulation, medium insulation, not much insulation, you're still keeping your abs in and up. Those muscles are still working. 1, 2, 3. No excuses for posture. Gotta work it. No matter what your body is looking like, pull it in and up, hips tucked forward, nice and lifted, proud. Show that music in your body. Doesn't matter the shape, the size, the age, the gender, the race. We don't care. We're going for skill here. 1, 2. Let's add in our arms. Oh my gosh, speak. We're gonna, it's kind of like low snake arms and really making it look like our hips are going farther than they are because the hand is drawing the eye out. It's like a cheating way if you have narrow hips like I do. Belly dance would be nice for big hips, but it doesn't matter. You dance with the body that you have, and it's all about how you feel. Are you bringing out the joy of the music, the energy? Oh my goodness, enough Jensuya, let's just dance, right? What should we do now? How about vertical hip figure of 8s? Let's bring our hands up here and start with that hip and down, 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 and down. Take it vertical hip down, down and down, 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 and let's switch our hands down, down. We love that, don't we? Down and speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doom, doom, teka-tek, doom, teka-tek. 1, 2. Ooh, had to adjust my posture. I was getting a little bit up here. We want to bring the shoulders down. Remember that? We learned that in levels 1 and 2 of upper torso, using those lats to pull those shoulders down. Not up here, down here. Uh-oh, off the beat. Starting with this one. Doom, doom, teka-tek, doom, teka-tek, doom, doom, teka-tek, doom, teka-tek. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Whew. How are we doing? How about if we switch to our arms? Let's do our painting arms. And I'm bending my supporting leg and this toe and kind of gently undulating. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And some fast ones. Smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. And how about if you do it into a back bend? Very dramatic. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. That supporting leg is still bent. You got that? Bring it up from the bottom of the rib cage, just like we learned in the level 1 and 2 classes. Where are we starting our motion? That's right, bottom of the rib cage, sort of painting arms here. And this is really cool. We're going to learn this sort of thing in this class. Like it's taken up, 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 up. One of the fun moves we're going to learn to do in this class. Dancing with our arms. Dancing back to the sway, sway, sway. How many ranges of motion are we doing here? Oh my gosh, I can count 2 in the hips. You got that? How many in the arms? Oh, like 17. How about just some undulations? Front and back. Front and back. Front, back. Little guys, just little ones. Now we're going to do this really neat thing where we're going to twist it and twist it. It's almost a step touch, but look at my feet. Step and twist it. Very advanced. Very advanced. Take it around. super advanced. But, you know, give it a try because it's super fun. And the other way, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Take it around, twist and twist, twist and twist. Simple move. Maybe it's simple for you. It wasn't simple for me. Advanced, super fun. That's why we learn our range of motion, so we know how do we even start this thing. But lest we tire ourselves out before the class, let's go into our shimmies. Mr. Robert, twist. There we go. Horizontal hip shimmy. And let's do it standing on one leg. Oh boy. Shoulder shimmy. Take it on an undulation. Side, side. How many ranges of motion? Oh my goodness. Whole bunch and super fast. And go into a choo-choo. Choo-choo. Okay, Mr. Bob, we are ready to wrap. Shake a leg, shake a leg. You know, this is so much fun. We do it every time. This is so much fun. Oh my goodness, listen. Treble, high pitch, and then the lower pitch. Take it low on the body. Oh, okay, Bob. Oh my goodness. Aywa Habibi! How was that? Wasn't that great? I just love doing that with you. What was your favorite move? And what move intrigued you to like, oh my gosh, I want to learn more? Was it that twisting around like that? And which move was most challenging for you? Write your thoughts about that warm-up dance in the comments to share with me and to share with the other students, and let's get that conversation going. In this class, we're gonna build on what we learned in both the level 1 and level 2 classes, and we're going to learn to layer our motions in time with the beat and the rhythm. What I'm super excited for you to learn is how we can take these beautiful, complex, intricate moves, like we were doing all this stuff, and break it down into small steps, those being our essential range of motion, motions that we've been learning, in order to make all of that cool stuff easy for you to easier for you to learn and practice. In the final part of the class, of course, we're going to finish with some of my favorite stretches and some of the things that I do to help, increase flexibility and mobility in all of this stuff up here. So, Yalla Habibi, let's get started. Our first exercise is learning to layer shoulder rolls onto. To do the full class, click on the link in the description or go to school.jensuya.com and enroll for detailed technique instruction, relevant practice, and key stretches, all with lifetime access to this beginner belly dance class.